In last lecture, we have started nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Today we are going to study next few nucleophilic addition reactions. Then next nucleophilic addition reaction is haloform reaction. This reaction is given by acetaldehyde, then methyl ketones and alcohols containing this group. When acetaldehyde or methyl ketones are heated with sodium hydroxide and iodine, sodium hypoiodide to form a yellow precipitate of iodoform, that is CHI3. This RCO minus Na plus sodium salt of this carboxylic acid plus twice NaOH. In this reaction, these methyl hydrogens, 3 methyl hydrogens are replaced by this iodine, and afterwards nucleophile OH minus attacks on the carbonyl carbon of this methyl ketone to form this iodoform and sodium carboxylate, that is sodium salt of carboxylic acid, which contains one carbon atom less than the methyl ketone. For example, acetone when heated with sodium hydroxide and iodine, it gives sodium hypoiodide to form sodium salt of sodium acetate then iodoform plus twice NaOH. Next nucleophilic addition reaction is aldol condensation. First we will see aldol condensation of aldehydes. Then another one aldehyde molecule, here this is aldehyde group and carbon attached to aldehyde group, that is alpha, that is carbon next to aldehyde group, that is alpha carbon atom, and these hydrogens are alpha hydrogen atoms. In same case, in this way aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen atoms undergo a reaction in presence of dilute alkali like NaOH or KOH to form beta hydroxy Cr to form beta hydroxy, that is carbon atom next to carbonyl carbon, it is alpha, then next one is beta, to form beta hydroxy aldehyde. This beta hydroxyaldehyde, it is also called as aldol. and this reaction it is called as aldol reaction. In this case, this carbon it is alpha carbon and hydrogen attached to alpha carbon, they are alpha hydrogens. This CHO group it is electron withdrawing group, therefore this alpha hydrogen it is acidic hydrogen, therefore this OH minus withdraws this OH minus withdraws this alpha hydrogen, therefore this carbanion attacks on this carbonyl carbon, then this pi electron pair goes to this oxygen, that is RCH2C this oxygen, and then afterwards one hydrogen goes to this oxygen, that is OH, then this carbon attacks on carbonyl carbon, that is carbon R, then H and CHO, that is beta hydroxyaldehyde. It is a nucleophilic addition reaction, that is this nucleophile carbon and nucleophile attacks on carbonyl carbon of first aldehyde. On heating, aldol formed, that is RCH2CHOH RH C double bond OH. On heating, this aldol formed undergoes elimination of water molecule to form beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde. For example, ethanol in presence of dilute alkali like dilute NaOH to form its aldol, it is 1 2 3 4 3 hydroxybutanol. This 3 hydroxybutanol on heating it eliminates a water molecule to form CH3CH double bond CH and then CHO, that is 1 2 3 4 but-2-enal ENAL. Once again I repeat, ethanol in presence of dilute NaOH it undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. This nucleophile attacks on carbonyl carbon of first molecule to form 3-hydroxybutanol. This 3-hydroxybutanol further heating it eliminates a water molecule to form but-2-enal. This total reaction it is called as aldol condensation, that is condensation of first and second molecule, that is called as aldol condensation. Similar reaction takes place with ketones. Ketones containing alpha hydrogen also undergo aldol condensation. It is acetone. Ketones containing alpha hydrogen in presence of dilute alkali, that is barium hydroxide. In this case, this carbonyl group it is electron withdrawing group, therefore it withdraws electron density from this carbon atom. Therefore this alpha hydrogen, it is acidic hydrogen, it is removed by this alkali. Therefore this carbanion, this acts as a nucleophile and it attacks on this carbonyl carbon to form CH3 CH3. Then this electron pair goes to this oxygen to form O minus. Then that hydrogen, it is released to form OH. Then this CH2 CH3 double bond O. Its name is, select longest continuous chain of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, pentane 2-ONE. Then this pentane 2-ONE, when heated, it eliminates a molecule of water to form CH3 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 double bond O. Then next is cross aldol condensation. It is aldol condensation between two different aldehydes or two different ketones. If both aldehydes or ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom, a mixture of 4 products is formed. For example, a mixture of ethanol, and propanol. When treated with dilute alkali, that is dilute NaOH, it gives mixture of 4 products. First we will see self condensation. And afterwards cross aldol condensation. This ethanol combines with another molecule of ethanol, that is CH3 CH double bond CHO. Then next one is this propanol combines with another molecule of propanol, that is CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CH3 CHO. Then cross aldol condensation. This molecule attacks on propanol, attacks on ethanol, that is CH3 CH, then CH3 CHO plus this ethanol attacks on this propanol. CH double bond CH CHO. Their names are here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms and double bond is between second and third. Therefore, due to enal. Then its name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At second position it is also one methyl group. Its name is 2-methyl pent 2-en pent 2-enal. Then its name is here also 1, 2, 3, 4. At second position there is a methyl group 2-methyl but 2-enal. Then in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double bond is at second position, therefore its name is pent 2-enal. That is, when a mixture of ethanol and propanol is reacts with dilute alkali to form a mixture of 4 products, that is, after self condensation, that is ethanol combines with ethanol, it forms butane 2-enal, and propanol combines with propanol to form 2-methyl pent 2-enal. Then after cross condensation, that is ethanol combines with propanol, that is when attack of carbon ion from propanol to ethanol, it forms 2-methyl 2-enal, and attack of carbon ion from ethanol to propanol to form pent 2-enal.